Hello, guys. Welcome to Market Time with Ricky, and I'm here again. I'm Ricky's Trades. Here with me is Pound USD chart. This is the market for Pound Sterling, and let me just move this away. From what we see on the weekly time frame, it looks like price has been bullish until it swept out this high here, this liquidity above the high over here. Now markets has traded back into this inefficiency candle and we're just within this price range. So let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, now we are back. So the daily time frame, we see sorry, I've already marked everything up. So you can see what we can see already. This was the key level that sponsored the reaction from the markets to buy up. Key levels, other key levels of points of interest that I'm looking at are this fair value gap here to the buy side that should sponsor buys, because I feel the market will continue this bullish trend. This market might likely continue this bullish trend from this level. So before then, it can either continue selling into this level, then buy, or from here it starts buying. So if that happens, we'll go to the forward time frame to see the narrative clearly. So here we are here. Key level, fair value gap, fair value gap. This was the initial fair value gap I took my last week trade from. Saw how that ran. This H4 bearish structure is still very much bearish. So there's no rational reason to go bullish right now. I'm going to be selling the market up until the price gets to this daily key level here, this daily fair value gap. Then we'll look for a buy signal and we'll enter the market. But before then, I am looking. This is very interesting because the market. This is Sunday open and the market gapped, which is also interesting because I know that the market will likely trade higher into this previous high, likely take it out and trade into this fair value gap. So it's very unlikely that this fair value gap becomes my entry, because look at the market, look at the fair value gap. This fair value gap can get traded during the Asia session, and that's just the end of it. So my new main focus will be around here, this fat fair value gap here. This is my new main focus. While this one can become inducement. This one can cause an inducement. I mean, the market swoops above this high, then sell off. This is during Asia, then sell off during New York or during London. Sorry, sell off during London or early hours of London, or during Asia as well. Then trade back into this level before selling back down. So this is my narrative. This is narrative that I'm going to be trading this week for Pound USD. Very simple. I've also been looking at Bitcoin because I saw a tweet inspired by Ahmed FX and inspired me to look at Bitcoin. Ahmed FX is going, Ahmed XM, sorry, I get their names wrong sometimes. But Ahmed XM is going long on Bitcoin around this key level, around this area, and he's currently in some profits. But from what I saw from that tweet, he's aiming to sell at he's aiming to take profits here. I also saw a tweet that is trailing his stops. He has like $100,000 in that position. So well, I hope he plays it well. I hope he makes money. But if he's going to hold a long position, I doubt if Bitcoin is going to 126. I think Bitcoin is going much lower. On that tweet, he said the monthly time frame is bullish, therefore he's bullish. But it's ignoring the fact that weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, 4 hour is bearish. every time frame aside the monthly time frame is bearish. It's just an amount of time before the monthly time frame turns bearish as well. And from the looks of things, I won't be surprised to see Bitcoin go as low as I don't want to be the bringer of bad news, but Bitcoin might touch 30K, 34K. Bitcoin can easily touch below 34K. Can easily go below 34K. From what I'm saying, can easily go below 34K. But just expect Bitcoin below $50,000. Sure. That's like so sure. Anyways, let's not get much into that. Let's look at what's going to happen this week. We've seen this monthly low here has already broken structure. This is a higher low, higher high break of structure. So this is a clear break of structure on the monthly time frame already. So if he had taken note of that, he probably would have a probably shorter target for his long trade. So this is a break of structure on the monthly time frame. This is a weekly key level or monthly key level here that price tapped into and is going to reject from. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see what's going on. Also take note that price is already respecting bearish PDRAs. Price is already respecting bearish PDRAs in this. You see this monthly fair value gap that price traded into and sold from. This was January. So price sold from this fair value gap January and has been selling from there since. Respecting PDR and bearish PDR, which means there's bearish sentiment in the market, and I think it's going to continue. Because now we have another bearish fair value gap here. So it's likely that price also trades back into this level before selling. So that's some good news. Before we see 50K, we'll likely see 79K or 80K again before price falls. On the weekly time frame, we see bearish structure, clear bearish structure, clear bearish structure. We see I low, I break up structure. Like this is very nice structure. Bitcoin is actually showing very nice structure here. I'm very excited to be involved in this market right now. So break of structure, we've noted that we note that price is going to go lower. This key level has already done its job. It's no longer needed. Our new target on the weekly will be this previous low here. This is our new target. So we're targeting price to go below 60K right now. Trading for price to go below 60K. That low is now our new target. Anyways, pardon me. On the daily time frame, okay, you can also take note of this fair value gap weekly. Yeah, but on the daily time frame, what do we see? The break of structure, the sweep of liquidity as well, which is looking like now price wants to reverse back up into our level. You see these candles here, they might keep buying, or I doubt to see it reverse, but let's just keep watching. So this is what I'm seeing right now. It buys up, then sells back down. Simple, right? Simple, too simple. So on that is on daily time frame. So like currently the market is in an indecision phase. It's in an indecision phase. It doesn't know whether to continue selling yet or buy it. It doesn't it needs into trade into internal range liquidity basically. It has taken out external range. So the algorithm will naturally seek for internal range liquidity. So higher chances it buys up towards this my key levels. Peep this smaller um daily time frame fair value gap right above this key level. So this area is a very sensitive area for markets. So that's why I am stationed there right now and expecting price to reach it. But before price reach it, since we're looking to buy the market, why don't we take part in some longs? And I saw this earlier, this setup. After the sweep of liquidity, price started forming higher highs, higher lows, and a new higher high here. So it's likely to continue this uptrend on the 4 hour towards this level while trading towards this range, because this is like high low range here. So on the 4 hour time frame, I had to analyze this price action, go to the 15-minute time frame, and I saw this nice entry model here. This nice entry model here, a clear um MSS market structure shift here, and we see price give us a very nice entry, give us a very nice entry level. You go long here, your stop below the lows, and you target this high here for a nice 1:4. Hit the take profits this evening. So this would have been a nice, very nice 1:4 trade. So got my eyes on Bitcoin for now. So we're expecting a similar MSS to occur here. Here being a 4 hour fair value gap as well. So if you see me MSS, and we'll have a buy signal to get involved in the market. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to this is episode 2 of Market Time with Ricky. So I'll be uploading more of these episodes on TikTok and on YouTube, so you can catch it there. And yeah, have a good one. Have a good trading week, guys. Bye.